When it comes to a dependable tool that can remove paint, sealers, rust, and grime, you know dustless blasting is the answer. In this video, we want to focus on one of our most popular blast pots for larger, more industrial applications, the DB800 Mobile XL. There are two main advantages to using this mobile unit: the larger capacity and the higher CFM air compressor. This killer combo results in fast and efficient removal and a longer time between blast pot refills. The DB800 Mobile XL unit includes all of the components you need to spend less time on a job while making more money. An added bonus is the ADCS unit on the trailer, which not only gives you cool, clean, dry air to blast with, it also powers a variety of air tools. Here at Dustless Blasting, we're continuously improving our products and striving to give our customers the best equipment that money can buy. And our DB800 Mobile XL is no exception. It hits the perfect trifecta of larger compressor, larger capacity, and larger blast pattern. Couple that with it being easy to operate, dependable on the job, and super low maintenance, and you've got yourself an industry powerhouse. So, if you're interested in starting a business with a DB800 Mobile XL, or need a reliable blast pot for your shop or business, order online anytime at store.dustlessblasting.com.